Hey guys, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama. I am nursing my baby, so you might hear some little noises. We're having a difficult day, but I wanted to get this done and quickly show you what I got from my October Young Living haul. This isn't an unboxing because I already dug in. Let's get started. So first of all, where shall we start? I got Sage because Logan, I don't know her last name, on Instagram always talks about this. She is my Instagram crush. She's just amazing. Just like has this idyllic life with her 4 daughters. Anyways, check her out. She's not in my upline or anything, but I just really like her. So there's Sage. She diffuses it with lavender, so I diffuse it with lavender, and it smells really good. Next, I got frankincense because this is my all-time favorite oil, and I use this mainly for meditating. And I'm actually doing like a meditation course / oils course in the month of November. You can check out my last video talking all about that, and I'm going live on Instagram tonight to talk about it at Take Care Mama, 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. Just come say hi. I'm giving away a free oil to one of you of Christmas spirit. But frankincense is something that we'll be working with a lot during our daily meditations that we're gonna do together. Then for free, I got nutmeg because I'm on the Essential Rewards program, which gives me oftentimes a free oil, but even better, points back. So this is so seasonal, and I'm really excited to do some cool diffusing blends. And yeah, I'm really happy to have that. So like I said, I get points back that I can spend on other separate orders. And so this is what I got for $0 this month. I got Savvy Minerals foundation. This is my second purchase of this. I get the cool #2. That was the only thing. It's kind of hard to buy stuff like this online because you don't really know, but I found something on Pinterest to help you decide which Young Living tone to go with. So I really liked that, and it lasted a long time. I should look back. That was a long time ago I got that. Also, oh, I paid for these. These weren't free, but they are a pack of the roller tops, which I have on my Next oil. So any oil that you can put directly on your skin, you can add a little roller top to make it easier. That brings me to this oil that I also received for free. It is called Endoflex, and I purchased it for hormonal support. Becca Bristow is someone else that I follow, also not my upline, and she uses this over her, I have so much mom brain, I can't even handle it, thyroid daily, and she's seen some good results. I also use a couple oils daily for my hormonal support, and I'm gonna do a video very soon called My Natural Period Routine, in which I talk about my natural period and the oils I use to support it and other fun stuff like that. So be sure you're subscribed and turn that bell notification on. And that is it. I really am happy with this month's order. I'm always happy, but I got some really good oils, and it's always nice to get stuff for free. Thanks for watching. Thanks for bearing with me with baby Norma. I hope you have a wonderful day. Do you want to say goodbye? Let's tell the mamas to take care. We'll see you next time. Bye.